Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to add pages within a page in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Squarespace, you might want to click on the Get Started button. Now, once you are logged in, remember that in Squarespace, you can create sub-pages within main page to organize your content effectively. And here's how you can add pages within a page in Squarespace. Now, when you access the Pages panel, as you can see, you can add sections to build your homepage. Now, from your homepage, you can add as many as few sections as you need. And you can also add pages within the subsection. Now, you can always click on each sub-page in the Pages panel to edit its content, including text, images, and other elements. And just while Squarespace is loading, you can add and organize the sub-pages and click on Save or Done to save your changes after doing it all. Now, once you're here, what you can do is just edit. Say, for example, if this is your website. Now you can add section and add, say for example, if this is the page that we are going to create, all you're going to do is simply, you can add a folder to create a container for your sub pages down here and click the plus button if that's available to you next to the main page's name in the Pages panel and select folder. And again, you can give a folder a name that best represents the category or topic, the sub pages you'll be adding. And again, with the folder selected, click the plus button right here and choose the page to add sub pages with the folder. You can add as many as sub pages as you want, and you need to do all you're gonna do is to repeat all these steps again and again. All right, and after that, all you're gonna do is click on Save. All right. Now you can preview right here. You can preview and publish your website to see how the sub pages appear within the main page. And if everything looks good, you can publish your changes to make them live. Right? It's very straightforward. You can get a desktop view, a mobile view of that changes, and by following these steps you can easily add pages within the Squarespace to organize your website content, and this can help improve navigation, making it easier for a lot of visitors to find the information that they are looking for. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.